I believe one day when we are looking at the coffee table book, our 50th anniversary coffee table book, if I remember correct, it showcased the model G2. It was very cool and thought came out of it. So why can't a post-war concept can be an inspiration for our a new international product?
The G2 350 Bullet from Royal Enfield revolutionized the motorcycle industry. The key factor was this swinging arm rear suspension. First time ever seen on a motorcycle in full production, and the rest of the world followed.
The intention was to cater to the developed markets where the market was expected to meet a statutory regulation of Euro 3, and we created this 500cc platform which would meet the statutory regulation and also meet a customer requirement of being a more highway-worthy motorcycle.
The post-war design theme is being basically achieved from the overall proportion or the architecture. The sprung seat, teardrop tank, the headlamp nacelle, the unit construction engine, the upswept silencer, the elongated mudguard. The overall concept here, it's all about a naked bike. So there is nothing for the sake or for the aesthetic value alone. Everything is functional at the time.
The Classic 500 was introduced in October 2008 and the Classic 350 in India in November 2009. And central to both of these machines was the new unit construction engine. So the original G2 engine had continued in production right until this time with virtually no changes.
Over the years, we have created multiple variants of the Classic, just in terms of the color trim graphics, whether it was a pure black to the stealth black or the teal green to the battle green. Some of these things take a lot of time to manufacture, but we enjoy developing something like the Classic Chrome, which has got a very unique kind of appeal. This is something which we believe is very important for a model like the Classic to evolve as a timeless piece, but stay relevant for today's expectation.
The Classic was the motorcycle that changed Royal Enfield's fortunes, adored by riders in India, loved by riders all around the world. It was the motorcycle that made Royal Enfield into a global brand.
End of the day, any product from Royal Enfield, including Classic, is all about the unique composition of rational and emotional quotient, which makes all our product timeless again and again.